Hey guys, today with this Erayak 4500 watts inverter, and we're gonna be demonstrating here how to use. So the first step, so we can get this started, would be to add some engine oil. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Just gotta be careful so you don't. And it's a 3-fuel operated. So right now we're gonna be running on gas. And so to start our Erayak power inverter, we're gonna put this on the on position here, and then here on the side we're gonna have on the start, and we're gonna take advantage of the very convenient start pushing button. When it starts, we're gonna run to the side and press the button. That's it. It's working. Okay guys, another very convenient option would be to use a propane tank, and it already comes with the hose and everything, all the connectors that you need. So we're gonna be demonstrating how to use it as well, how to install it. Then I'm gonna attach this connector to your gas propane tank. And to get it started, it's gonna be very similar to the gas mode. So after you connect it to your propane tank, you're gonna slowly turn it on, the gas. Then the rest is gonna be very similar to the gas. You're gonna put on the start position here on the side. Then the start engine button is gonna light up, and you're gonna hold it. All you have to do, you push the start button. After it start running, you go to the side, and there you go. The 3-in-1 button, you're gonna put it on the stop, and it's gonna shut it off. And then if you're using the propane, you gotta make sure you close the valve all the way down. And that's it.